We will now discuss the implication of introducing GST. As GST is an uniform taxation system. Is GST a uniform taxation system? Yes, it is. Earlier, what used to happen is various states, all the 29 states in India, used to have varied indirect tax rates. Therefore, it was not uniform. The taxation system in India, in our country, was not uniform. But GST has changed this scenario. There are certain tax rates, and all the commodities, all the goods and services throughout the country will be charged the same tax rates. Thus, if you eat in high-end restaurants, either in Gujarat or Assam or Tamil Nadu, wherever, the taxation system charged by the high-end restaurant as a service tax will be 18% only. So it is an uniform taxation system. Thus, GST will create a uniform market across the country, and it will lead to a transparent taxation and an hassle-free taxation system. As GST has subsumed many taxes, so the taxation system in India has been made simple, and there has been a reduction in the cost of complying the taxation system. Earlier, in the earlier system of numerous tax departments, in the earlier system of numerous tax departments hampered interdepartment coordination. So there used to be various tax departments, and if there are various departments working towards achieving the same goal, which is appropriation and collection of taxes in the country, there need to be a smooth coordination between them. But due to various such departments, such interdepartmental coordination was hampered, and due to this, various loopholes in the taxation system of the country came into force and made tax evasion possible. Thus, with the introduction of the GST will drastically increase the tax base and reduce tax evasion. After introduction of GST, most of the goods will become cheaper. The rate of tax under GST is less as compared to the tax rates existing earlier, as the rate of the tax rates under GST is much lesser than the rate of taxation system which used to exist earlier than the GST. Most of the goods will become cheaper. In fact, the GST rate for most of the essential commodities, the day-to-day commodities, is 0%. The implementation of the GST in the long run will create a large number of jobs. How it will create? As there is a reduction in tax burden, as the tax rates are low, the prices of the goods will be decreased. Thus, as the prices of the goods will be decreased, the production cost of most of these commodities will come down. Hence, there will be an increase in imports of these commodities. Thus, a large number of jobs will be created. But the GST is not all rain and sunshine. Many commodities, the prices of many commodities will increase, as services are presently taxed at 15%. The GST rate for most of the services is around 18%. Thus, services are expected to become costlier.